guys, I thought I would never be teaching karate on website or YouTube or whatever you call it, but since with the virus, I guess we have to ad-lib some stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a tutorial on Kenshu and Shinsei. So the first one I'm going to do is Kenshu. The rule of thumb in Kenshu is if my left leg is forward, the left hand's on the bottom. If my right leg forward, then my right hand's the bottom. Okay, so we're going to go slow and I'm going to go step at a time. We start with the tension, feet comes together in the yoi, Kenshu. Left hand comes back, double punch, cast and block, kick and punch. Bring that hand back, step forward, double punch, block, kick and punch. Bring that hand back, step forward, double punch, block, kick and punch. I'm going to go back to the same three movements. Okay? So I go to yoi, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a downward block and punch. Downward block and punch. We're going to do cast and 1 and then 2. Okay, we're going to go back. Together. 1, 2, kick, punch. 1, 2, kick, punch. 1, 2, kick, punch. I block, I punch, I block, I punch. Cast and 1, 2. Then I go to the left, down block, hammer block, chop. Down block, hammer block, chop. We're going to start. We go to yoi. 1, 2, kick, punch. 1, 2, kick, punch. 1, 2, kick, punch. I block, I punch, I block, I punch. I go 1, 2. Down block, hammer block, chop. Down block, hammer block, chop. We go to a horse stance. Both fists are closed. Both hands are open. I push, punch, punch, kia. Right, back, and down. Okay, we're going to do the whole kata. Tension. Kenshu, yoi. Easy peasy. And the reason I have a red and black gi is because my background is white and I didn't want to look like a ghost. So I'm going to take a breather. I'm going to come back and do Shinsei.